Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix 5GHz Hotspot is not available in Windows 11. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netshare space, WLAN space, show, drivers. (802.11n, 802.11g, and 802.11b), your computer supports only 2.4 GHz network. It displays 802.11a or 802.11 AC, it implies that you can use 5 GHz network. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters, run under Network Adapter. Select Wi-Fi, click Next. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapts, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.